Afternoon, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch on Monday, November 27, 2023 on our planet. Hope you're all well today. So this is our earthquake report for Papua New Guinea, which is north of Australia. We have a shallow 6.6 and a couple of 6.5s at approximately 45 kilometers depth. Which happened not too long ago. So this is fairly close to, so our earthquakes right here in Papua New Guinea. This is our erupting volcano, up to 60,000 foot blast. This is Ulawun volcano, Papua New Guinea. It's been in the news recently. So our earthquakes are right in here. We have another volcano showing some heat. And we have one tsunami buoy in motion right here. So once again, our earthquakes right here. Very minor motion on this buoy. So our earthquake happened here at 20:48 hours. It's 8:48 p.m. and approximately 1 hour later at 21:57 hours, this buoy here went into motion. Very, very minor motion. Not even worth reporting. We have a very minimal wave height in the region, right here. So our buoy is right about here. Only 1.4 meters in height. Normal wave height as compared to, for example, off of the tip of the Aleutians, 6.9 meters, so 7 meters times 3, a little bit more than 1, so about 23 foot high waves here. So our antipode for this set of earthquakes is going to be the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Pinpoint is going to be right here, but it's going to find the point of least resistance for the energy to find, and it's going to be along here somewhere. So once again, a 6.6 and a 6.5 off the shores of Papua New Guinea. Fairly close to our erupting volcano that's been in the news. So I will make a suggestion in a moment. So normally it takes a magnitude 7+ earthquake to generate a tsunami wave. It is still possible. A very, very minor wave was generated. So maybe 24 inches. So my suggestion might be we have a bit of a mantle plume uplift. Therefore, we're obviously going to be watching an increase in volcanic activity at Mount Yilawun. This is the one that made the 60,000 foot blast last week. That's it for now, folks. No big deal at this time. We don't need any great exaggerations. We don't need any panic. We don't need any fear porn. We will continue to watch the coastal volcanoes. And that is it for now.